everyone. Myself Geeta Kasana. I am from Shama Prasad Mukherjee College, Delhi University. I am pursuing BA Political Science Honours first year. Today, women are self-sufficient, well-aware and economically independent. Women are doing whatever they want to do. They are getting even success in every field. She is working in home as well as outside. A woman is a multitasking person. But when we talk about India, we always say that women is always have certain kind of foundations. What kind of foundation we put on her? Domestic violence is deeply integrated and widely prevented in India. I am having a report of NCRB of 2019 that every particular second we are getting a complaint from a woman about any kind of activity which she faces. But when we talk about domestic violence or sexual assault, we can say in every 16 minutes a woman face either the domestic violence or she get raped in India. It is the report of 2019 according to NCRB. Rape cases in India. In 2019, when we talk about the ratio of rape in India, it was 32,300. And when we talk about 2018, it was 33,500. So there is a rapid increase, but there is every rape in every 15 minutes and now it is 16 minutes particular rape takes places in India. Then if we say that the every day how many rape cases get registered is 88. It means there are 88 rape cases each day. Each woman get sexually assaulted on one day. How political party get engaged with this? If we talk about politicians, that does this mean that politicians do not face any sort of assault in their lives? Yes, they also face some kind of activities in their life which affect them really badly. Women identify highest rate of psychological violence, sexual violence, and the threats and coercion with their political parties. While minors that research has indicated regarding the preventions and the type of violence that women can face in a political party. The World Health Organization estimates that 1 out of every 3 women in a political party feel any sort of violence. When we talk about this, so there are lack of financial resources that a woman can have, so that she may ask for a favors from any female or male political leader.
Physical violence, attempt to murder is 0%. Assault or aggression, punching, hitting, pushing, etc. is 17%. Sexual violence is rape, unwanted sex 3%, sexual exploitation 6%, sexual harassment 8%, unwanted sexual contact is 14%. Psychological violence, defamation, slander and character attack 30%. Harassment by media is 23%. Insult equating women participation with immoral participation is 23%. Hate speech 31%. Threat or coin is threat 14%. False accusation 23%. Intimated or blackmail is 14%. Threat sent online is 14%. Economic violence, using money to control you 23%. Denying and delaying resource available to men is 27%. Property damage is 31%. Violence experienced by women is under report. As with report of violence women against women generally and globally, the data from the pilot confirm that the women experience of violence within political parties continue to be underreported. Of the women who said that they personally experienced violence while the participation is any party active, 66% said they either told or reported the incident to someone. 28% of respondents that they did not tell anyone about the incident, and 6% did not answer the question. This is how did you disclose your experience of the violence to? Police officer 9%, complaint party, authority and grievance office is 26%, women organization 20%, female party member 11% and male party member is 11%.
Women, wherever she is, doesn't matter. She always feels such kind of assault in her life. But there are some kind of comments from politician for a girl, which I am going to read for you. First, is giving cell phone to a girl lead to a rape, says Women Commissioner of UP, Meena Kumari. Then second, the National Commission for the Women member, Chandramukhi Devi, had stolen controversy with her comment that the gang rape and murder of 50 women in Uttar Pradesh could have been avoided if she hadn't gone out alone in the evening. Then third, you are safe. Why you are bothered? This is comment given by Uttar Pradesh Samajwadi Party's Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav in response to a reporter who asked about the rate increase in the state. Then fourth, the girl wearing ripped jeans showing their knees. What messages is being given to society? Uttar Pradesh CM Mr. Rawat. Fifth, in addressing a poll rally in Jharkhand, Rahul Gandhi had said to Prime Minister Narendra Modi had launched Make in India. But nowadays, all one can see in rape in India. These are such kind of comments given by our own politicians for Indian girls. So what does this really mean? According to a written letter in Lok Sabha by the Minister of Law and Justice, Uttar Pradesh, top listed state with the 66,900 pending rape cases, followed by Maharashtra is 21,691 and 20,511 in West Bengal. There are total 2.4 lakh cases pending in India of rape. We are where in this world? When we say that India is developing, so the women are really developing. In each house, without women you cannot survive. But how women are surviving in this country? We always say that we need to educate a woman, we need to educate a girl child. But there is one thing more. We also need to educate a man as well. That how to treat a woman, how to be with a woman, how to speak with a woman, how to go with a woman. Women do not have to develop themselves. There is a man who need to develop himself.